So one of the things that I want you farmers to understand is because most of you guys complain about weaning the goats and they all die. These are some of the possible causes of death of the weaned animals. You know, mostly you wean them when they are healthy, they look good, and then when you wean them, they become another problem. Why? Because they have lost the milk of the mothers. So what do we do? Like for me, I would advise farmers, whenever you wean the animals, actually before you wean these animals, let's have this arrangement of really feeding these goats when they are still young with alfalfa and other proteinous grasses like Bracharia molato, like Chloris guyana. Why do we do that? We want these animals to get used before we even wean them. So whenever the mothers go, find an area where you confine them such that you start supplementing them. By the time you wean them to go alone, they already know what exactly they want. You know, they can easily switch to the feeds than the milk. So actually, that is going to really help us so much, and it will give us very good results. Yeah, thank you so much. I think that's what I really wanted to teach you or to inform you or just to advise you as my fellow farmer. Thank you very much. Let me just wish you the best. Bye.